So here's what the unit looks like out of the packaging. It does already come with the half up, half down ponytail already installed. So I'm already like, okay, Miss Freetress. So this is the wig out of the packaging, you guys. We have some nice, beautiful beach waves. And I love the color. Like, we have so many different highlights and lowlights in this unit. So perfect for the summertime. And let's get into the construction of this unit. It does have 2 combs in the front by the temples. There's also a comb in the nape section as well, along with adjustable straps. So you do have different ways that you can secure this unit. And it does have lace from ear to ear, and then there also is lace in the middle. So you have lace going 13 by 6 across the front. Well, it's actually 13 by 5 across the front. And then you have some lace from the middle to the center. So I'm going to go ahead and just lightly try her on. The wig also does come pre-plucked, and it does have some baby hairs that they've already added. So this is what the lace is looking like. The lace does have a light brown tint to it already, but this is what the lace looks like up against my skin. So here's what the wig looks like, just trying it on fresh out the box. So I will say, if you are new to wearing wigs and you do not know how to style your wig whatsoever, this is perfect because you already have a hairstyle fresh out the box. But me personally, I'm not feeling the ponytail, the half up, half down. I'm just not really feeling it. The only reason why I say that is because the ponytail, I wish it was fuller. Like, I like really big, full hair. So this ponytail, I wish it was like double the amount of thickness. But honestly, for it being straight out the box, I mean, that's pretty good. So let me just show you guys what the lace is looking like. This wig is very snug, and it's not a true, well, we did say it was 13 by 5, but like my edges right here, the lace isn't covering that section. So this is what we are working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off, and I'm probably gonna style the wig in a side part. I do like how they have this bang layered and curled. So I probably will keep the bang and just make it a regular side part and take out the ponytail. But I just wanted you guys to see what it looked like. And this wig is coming down to my waist. Let me put all the hair to the front so you guys can see what that looks like. And I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see all the hair to the front. So this is all the hair in the wig to the front. The wig is pretty full as far as like the density on it, so I do like that. And I'm just loving this color. Like, I feel like this color complements my complexion very well. So this is what it looks like. And let me turn around to the back so you guys can see what the back of the unit looks like.
I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every
Here are the final results of this wig install featuring free tress. As always, I hope that you all enjoyed this video and learned something new. And remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video.